I want to talk to you today about chenille fabric. Now this isn't a fabric that you can buy in the quilt shops, it's a fabric we actually make ourselves. And it gets its name from the fluffy nature that we create on the top. It's actually a fabric that you actually then have to turn into something, and my quilting friend Sheila Jarvis has very kindly lent me her clothes and her bags that she's made with the chenille fabric. Down here at the front is another bag of hers, and then Hilary Davis has lent me her 2 book covers. You want to think about the thread that you're using because the thread colour is going to show. I've chosen again this, as you can see, this green one because I think while it shows, it doesn't make too much of a statement. I've sewn down that first line with a walking foot. You can kind of just ruffle them a bit like that so you get an idea. But it will need to be washed. Please don't wash it when it's at this stage. Please make it up into your finished project before you wash it and tumble dry it.